Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with an eyebrow tutorial for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get those eyebrows on fleek. I have made a list of 5 things that one must not do and 5 things that one must do in order to achieve the good eyebrow shape. So without any further ado, let's get started with our class. So the left side will be my don't side and the right side will be my do side. So this is the natural state of my eyebrows. Don't number 1, brushing your hair in the wrong direction. So what most of us usually do is we brush our hair in the straight direction like so. Like this. This is what you don't have to do. This will make your eyebrows look very droopy and downward, especially from the tail. So you don't want to do this. On the do side, I'll tell you what to do. So on the do side, you have to brush your hair in the upward direction, like so. So what this will do is, this will give your eyebrows a lifted look and also a fuller look. Can you see the difference already? This one is looking little droopy and this one is looking lifted, especially the tail. Don't number 2, using a wrong brush. So I got this brush in one of the brow kits that I use, and just look at the thickness of this brush. So just see what kind of lines does it create, how thick these are. And I'll also create some horizontal lines. Can you see the thickness? You don't want this. So instead, the kind of brush that you would want to buy is this brush. This is an eyeliner and an angular brush. Just look at how sleek and thin it is. So this is the kind of brush that will give you hair-like strokes and will make your eyebrows look very natural. Look at the lines it will create for you. Very sleek and very thin, just like our hair. I hope the camera will be able to focus. I'm creating horizontal lines also. So this is the kind of brush that you should always buy for your eyebrows. So don't number 3, using the wrong color pencil. So if your eyeliner and your eyebrow pencil is of the same color, that means you need to start over. So on my don't side, I'm using a darker color pencil and filling my eyebrows with it. So this is a very dark color, it's almost black, and this is what you don't want to use for your eyebrows, because you don't want to end up looking like Cruella. So a big no-no to the dark color. So on the right side, I'll tell you what color to use. Your brow product should be 2 shades lighter than your hair color. That's the perfect way to buy a right product for your brows. And I'm using a brown shade for my eyebrows here. We have to achieve a very natural look. So for that, we should use a lighter color. So I'm using a brown shade. Can you see the difference it created? The darker the color is, the fake your eyebrows is gonna look, and it'll look more like a tattoo or something. But the lighter the color is, the natural look you'll achieve. Don't number 4, do not create a box in front of your eyebrows. By front, I mean this section. Do not create a box over here. So this is what happens when you create a box. I think I'm still doing it in a very decent way. This this is what happens when you create a box in a front. Can you see how dramatic it is looking? So you definitely don't want to do this. So on the do side, you will create hair-like strokes with a pencil brush. So here I am with a very light hand, creating hair-like strokes in upward direction, but very lightly and very gently. Use the spoolie once to remove the excess product. So can you see the difference? Our main aim to make our features enhanced is to make them look very natural. So now don't number 5. So don't number 5 says carving your eyebrows with a very light color. I am personally not a very big fan of carving my eyebrows all the time. I do it only occasionally. So you should never carve your eyebrows with a very light color, because the lighter the color is, the ashier it will make your appearance. So this is a big no-no. Can you see how ashy it is looking and it's not blending properly? And even if I take ages to blend it, it will still look very ashy. So the idea is to create a very blendable carving, not something that will stand out. I'm using my under eye concealer and taking very less product to carve out my eyebrows. So here it is. My left side looks very disastrous, very fake and very dramatic, and my right side looks very natural and very enhanced and very appealing. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope my do's and don'ts helped you out in understanding what to do, what not to do. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and till then stay happy and stay beautiful, and I shall see you next time. Bye.